The weather is perfect and we are ready for a day trip. My kids are excited and we too, as most of us love traveling. We hit the road early in the morning to avoid traffic congestion. My little one is taking a nap. Found something interesting on our way, and hence I thought of capturing it. We are about to reach our destination. Received by these beautiful creatures. And I believe in all things of nature there is something of the marvelous. RIVERFRONT Nalukettu. It is situated in Thodupuzha in Idukki district of Kerala. It's a farm with traditional central Kerala wooden houses called the Nalukettu on the banks of Kalla river, which is a tributary to Neyya river. This river flows through the Indian states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The rooms here are cozy and can accommodate a family in the best possible way. This place brings an image from the past into one's minds. And it feels great reminiscing the past where joint families used to live in such conventional houses. I truly believe children should be occupied by play from their early years, as it is not a luxury but a necessity. Children still need a childhood with dirt, trees, puddles, turf, and tadpoles, which is not met these days where most of us are confined to our own houses due to numerous reasons. It's nothing but the demand of the present. It's a rainy night, adding beauty to the place. It might feel contradictory to feel so peaceful to the sound of heavy rain. It's next day morning. My kids are having fresh cut fruits. I just wanted to revisit the places before leaving. My child is a bit scared, but she's trying to overcome the fear. And her father is helping her with that. This little one doesn't understand what fear is and therefore keeps smiling always. Their father is on his mission to get rid of her trepidation. We are on our way back home. Just halted at Malangara Dam, which is a few kilometers from the resort. Photography was restricted and hence I couldn't capture the place. As someone said, a journey never ends, only the travelers end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do comment if you have any suggestions. Stay happy and safe. See you next video. Until then, bye.